got two, so there's hope.
Thank you, Dana, for the invitation. I made the decision, as I had spoken to a couple of you already tonight, about last August to run in this year's election for this seat that I'm seeking. In 2012, Judge Savaston, many or most of you may have known, retired in 2012 as our Chief District Court Judge. And upon his retirement, he retired interim before his term had expired. So the procedure under the laws of North Carolina were that the bar members who were licensed to practice in Randolph, Montgomery, and Moore would meet and vote amongst themselves 3 names to be submitted to the governor to fill that vacancy for the expiration of that term, which is the term that's running out this year in this seat that I'm seeking. We met in September in Moore County and had a vote in 2012, and where the bar members voted, and I received 78 of the votes. The second person was Sonia Holt from Randolph, or who practices in Randolph County. She received 53 votes, and then Bill Hefner and William Hefner received 52 votes. And our 3 names were submitted to Raleigh for the then sitting Governor Perdue to make an appointment if she chose. I grew up on a farm in Moore County, tobacco farm, small farm. 6 siblings, 4 older sisters, 2 younger brothers. My parents instilled in us belief in God, to be people of faith, our family, a strong family bond. And I do believe in God, and I believe in prayer, and that's what sustained me in my life. After I went out, when I graduated from high school at 18, I enlisted into the Air Force and served a 4-year commitment in the enlisted ranks, honorably served. I was dishonorably discharged in the enlisted ranks. I came back home.
You were dishonorably discharged?
I was honorably discharged.
That's what I thought. What he meant to say was he was honorably discharged.
Did I say dishonorably? You did. Is this being recorded?
You should always assume that the video camera and the microphone are hot.
I may better check my flyer then to see what I put on my brochure. I did receive an honorable discharge. I do have the DD 214 documentation to verify. District court judges, they have to sit as a judge and as a jury. And you know, the part of a jury, if you've ever sat on a jury, you've been instructed, you know, you use your good common sense. You don't check it at the door. You don't check your religion at the door. You won't hear that from a court. You should not hear that from a court, that you have to check your religion at the door. Neither do any of the people else that are in that building need to check the religion at the door either. That's not what separation of state, church and state means, but you do hear that from some people who misinterpret that. So there is immigration, you know, lawful immigration. There are people who are willing to come here and be good citizens for the United States. They believe in the American fabric, and they believe in what we believe in. But it's the ones that are come here or brought here by drug lords or any other reason, or by potential terrorists or potential people who want to turn us into a socialist country, who bring in people through New York or down through Canada and some of these other places with visas and stuff so we can get them into our universities and indoctrinate our youth who don't have enough sense to do anything in college level, but yet they bring them in and they indoctrinate them. Forget about your family values and morals. Listen to us because we are educated people and we can teach you the right way. I don't believe in that, but I believe there are people here who want to do that. Those are the ones that I would not want amnesty in